Hello and welcome to English 2. I'm your online teacher, Miss Bear. We have been working on an expository research project about the fashion industry. Has Frank Cabot Lowell's idea of a utopian society where all of these things just work together in this beautiful way, has it happened? What was his vision, and has it really happened? You should have all of this research. You should have your own idea on how you are answering that question by now. Today, you are writing that essay. You're writing it today. Now, the teacher in your classroom may give you more than one day, but this is the last day that I will spend with you on this unit. As a reminder, this is part of the Common Lit 360 curriculum. It is their Unit 4, the fashion industry, past to present. And our research question is, Francis Cabot Lowell had a utopian vision for a factory that would make profits for the owners while also improving the lives of the workers. What was his vision, and to what extent has his vision been realized since its inception? And we looked at that research question and really kind of broke down some of those ideas that you could pursue in your research. So I provided you, or Common Lit provided you, with some articles and some research, some videos, some political cartoons, and then we asked you to go find your own research on the modern textile industry and the modern companies who are making clothing. So everybody is going to have different sources that they have pulled together. And so your essay is not going to look like your neighbor's essay, but there should be some similarities because there are similar articles that you read at the beginning, but you should have a different direction that you're going based on the additional research that you did. So today's agenda is really kind of some options that you have, and I'm calling them options. Your teacher may say, I know that Miss Bear said it was going to be an option, but I'm going to require that you do this step. Or the teacher may say, I need you to do this, but anybody else can go forward. The teacher in the classroom has the ultimate decision on how you move forward with writing your essay. So one option that you have is to write an outline first, and the curriculum does provide some suggestions for an outline. And then the curriculum also provides a packet for you for drafting that culminating essay and that culminating task. So you should have two different handouts, and this is what the outline one looks like. So if your teacher decides to use the outline, that's what it will look like. And there's two different templates that have been provided for you. So the next piece is your actual essay, the Unit 4 research paper, and it also provides you with part of a works cited, and you will see that this particular works cited has already given you all of the information that you need, or most of the information that you need for this research, except for the ones that you pulled yourself, those additional research pieces. So you have all of this. I'm going to stop talking because it is time for you to draft your essay. And so when you're finished, that is the end of our unit, and that is the end of our time here together. So until we meet again, happy learning and happy writing.